This is a short video for free customer services. It's about the suspected bogus text messages purportedly from 3. I know this one is genuine, and let's try and do this without making a hash of it. This one is genuine. The latest one is this one, and hopefully you can see that. Too much light. Okay, I suspect those links take you somewhere else other than 3's website. I say there's no information anywhere with the number or originator. There's no way to find out that information, so hopefully you guys can sort that out for me and let me know. Thanks.